everybody, welcome back to my channel. Yes, you guys, it's a pretty okay week at Walgreens. Not a lot of deals, but there is some money makers and some freebies if you guys really want to do it. There's a couple of things that I wanted to get. I was going to do the Burt's Bees. There's a Shopkick deal for it, but my store has it for $6.79, and they have all brand new employees that are working, so I didn't even want to bother. There's a lady backing up. She's like super close to my car. I didn't even want to bother even price matching. I ended up getting, or I was going to get the Werther's Originals. I totally forgot about it. I had it written down. I was going to get the General Mills cereal, but my store was completely sold out of every single General Mills box except the churros. And I'm like, I don't need churros because I have enough churros at home. So I was going to do that. So if you guys do the General Mills cereal, it's $1.88. And then you guys, there's a $1 off 2 coupon that we got in today's inserts. You guys would pay $2.76. Plus there is a 750 point rebate with Fetch Rewards. So you guys will get both boxes for $2.01. So that's a pretty good deal if you guys need to do that. But other than that, let me share with you guys what I got. I got a lot of food deals, and I actually got some food deals that I have never done at Walgreens. I hate to say this, but you guys, I am so close to hitting a certain amount on my Ibotta that I want to hit it today, you guys. I'm $12 away to hit a huge milestone on Ibotta, so I want to hit that today. So I'm going to share with you guys what I got. It's probably Joanne Fabric. Yep, Joanne Fabrics texts me all the time. Anyways, I wanted to show you guys this deal. These are slippers. These are on sale for the deals of the week. These are $6.49. My stepdad always wants slippers for Christmas every single year, so I always get them, and I think this is a pretty good deal. So if you guys need to get some gifts, they do have some kids and adult slippers for $6.49. Okay, so now let me tell you guys about this deal. I ended up doing the Jell-O deal. Now you guys can get the regular Jell-O or you can get the pudding. You can mix and match however you guys want to do this. But this ends up becoming a great deal. So these right now are 2 for $1. So you guys want to buy 2 of these, you would pay $1. But there is a 10-cent rebate with Ibotta and a 10-cent rebate with Ibotta, making them 80 cents. So you guys would get these for 80 cents. That's 40 cents a piece, which is a pretty decent deal. And then they have the Kraft marshmallows on sale for $1.49. There is a 25-cent rebate with Ibotta, so you guys would get these for $1.24. Okay, so if you guys buy, there's Cool Whip involved also, but if you guys buy 2 of the products that are in this category, you guys would end up getting a 50-cent bonus. So basically what you guys would get is you get all 3 of these with the 10-cent rebate, the 10-cent rebate, and the 25-cent rebate. Then you get an additional 50-cent rebate for buying 2 of them. All 3 of them come to be $1.54 or 51 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal if you guys think about it. I mean, marshmallows are sometimes kind of expensive, so definitely go ahead and do that. I did the Jell-O deal twice. Because I just wanted to get some more pudding and I wanted to get some Jell-O, so I did that deal. But if you guys go ahead and need that, I forgot to factor in my 50-cent bonus with Ibotta, but that's okay. The next deal you guys want to do is the almond deal. Now I did scan the other almond gourmet and the coupon did not pop up. I also was going to get the Planters Nuts deal. There's the 3-pack, or there's a nice tin. My store did not have the tin. They did have the 3-pack, but when I scanned the coupon, or I scanned it with the app, the digital coupon did not pop up. So I didn't even want to bother because the coupon would probably not work, and it just said that this is the only coupon that works for it. So I skipped it. I might go to my original store that I go to near my house. It might do a second haul. There's like one of my hairs sticking up. So, but just give you guys a heads up. But these, you want to make sure you scan it in case you need a specific flavor. Make sure you see it. The coupon does work. So these were 2 for $4.50. There is a $1.50 off a 2 digital coupon. Now we did receive $1 off coupons in today's inserts, but there is a $1.50 off a 2 digital coupon. You guys would just get these for $3 or $1.50 a piece if you guys need to go ahead and do that, which I think is a pretty good deal. So definitely stock up on that. The Hershey Kisses this week, you guys, are $1.99. I really wanted caramel. They didn't have any caramel on sale. And I'm like, you guys, seriously? But anyways, I got the regular milk chocolate. You can't go wrong with these. So these were $1.99. There's currently $1 off of 2 digital or Walgreens booklet coupons. You guys want to grab that booklet, or you can clip it to your card. And you guys will pay $2.98 or just $1.49 a bag. So these are like good little treats to have. I usually like to put these in like a little candy jar and just kind of grab them whenever. I love them. These are good little things to have here and there. Now, here is today's freebie that you guys definitely want to do, is the Swanson chicken broth or whatever. These are 2 for $1, okay? This is an all-month sale, which I think the end of the week is the end of the month. But we did receive some 50% off coupons. There is nothing about limits or anything on those coupons, so you guys can use these. So I could not use my employee discount, so I did these for a separate transaction, and I got these absolutely free. I didn't have to pay tax or anything. So a 2 for $1. You guys want to use 2 of those 50% off coupons. These come to be absolutely for free. So if you guys are an employee and you have the employee discount, you have to do this in a separate transaction because Walgreens does not do overage with their coupons. So giving you guys a heads up with that. Oh, I didn't even see this. Huh. I spent $20 on my other transaction and she never gave it to me. So, okay, yeah, you guys can see right here that I had to pay $0 for that. So that was a great deal. And I earned a 1 penny. 1 penny. And I will get to you guys about the My Rewards. They did change their system, so I will share with you guys on that in just a second. So I ended up doing the toothpaste deal. I ended up doing the Colgate toothpaste. Now these were $2.99. I used 2 50-cent off coupons that we got in today's inserts. You would pay $4.98. But then you guys can submit 2 rebates with Ibotta. I got 2 different kinds because I want to get as many different, I want to hit level 4. I want to hit level 4 by the end of the month. So I got 2 different kinds, but you guys will submit a $1 rebate with Ibotta. And you guys will get a $4 register reward, which they're no longer called register reward, but it basically says you save $5 on your next in-store purchase of $5 and more. Now, I don't know if you guys can use multiple of these. I'm assuming you can. I don't know. One of you guys was mentioning, and I still haven't checked it out yet, that if you use these, you cannot pay with points. If you guys know that, please let me know. And I heard Walgreens doesn't enter coupons anymore. It's their new policy. A lot of stores make up their own rules. A lot of stores make up their own rules, but let me know if you guys use these and you can't pay with points. Just let me know. I didn't get a chance to try it, so just wanted to share with you guys with that. So it comes out to be a $2.02 moneymaker. You guys will get those absolutely for free. And then I got the I got so much toothpaste, you guys. It's like just I'm going crazy with all the toothpaste. So I ended up, I'm gonna stock up on toothbrushes. So all the Crest and Oral-B, you probably get some mouthwash too, but these you got the $2 off coupons. So these are $3. You guys want to use mix or match. You can either use, there is a digital, so you guys can use a digital, physical, whatever you want. If you want to buy 3 toothbrushes, you have to depend on a digital. But I use 2 physical toothbrush coupons, and I use 1 physical $2 off toothpaste coupon. So you guys will get all 3 of these for $3, which is an okay deal. But you guys will get a $5 register reward, or however you call this. So these come out to be a $2 moneymaker. So you guys will get these absolutely free, plus you will make some money. Now if you want, if you guys go to the store and you do one of those deals, and then you decide that you want to buy, you want to get another product, go ahead and buy something different, but you might have to have a filler item if you guys are equal to the same coupons. So, yes. So, my total came to $18.90 for everything. I got $2.65 back with Ibotta, but I forgot to factor in that 50-cent bonus that I got. I got $10 back of register rewards, or however you call them, and I only received 37 cents for my purchase, you guys. 37 cents. I don't understand. When I was talking to an employee the other day, she was telling me that, you know, the new system is going to be a whole lot better opportunity. I feel like it's kind of a fail. I mean, I don't feel like very much stuff has changed, but I don't feel like we're getting as much points as what we used to. Maybe, I don't know if that's just me. I don't know. I don't know. We will see. We will see. But anyways, my grand total was going to be $6.25, but technically it's $5.75 for 17 items. I think that's a pretty good deal. So not a lot of great deals, but there are some freebies and there's some food deals if you guys need to go ahead and do that. I was pretty excited to get some deals. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. And I might do a second haul this week. We will see. I do have to go to Walgreens to get my medication. We will see if I can do another deal. Probably maybe do another Colgate deal, something. I don't know. But again, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.